In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Trading 212 to your bank account. To do this, first gonna open up the Trading 212 app. Now from there, what you want to do is go to your cash balance. Usually it will say main pot, and you can see it right here for me. Now make sure you have some money in there in order to actually withdraw it. If you don't, first just gonna sell your positions for cash so that you can withdraw to your bank. Now then open up your main pot. Here you will see the main pot where I have 26 euros. Now what you want to do is just click on withdraw at the top. Then you will see this. So you can use the slider right here to select how much money you want to withdraw. I'll do the 25 euros I have. Then down here you can select a payment method, which is where you will transfer the money to. Now if you want to do the bank account, just find one that has a bank account icon and your IBAN next to it and just go and select it. If you don't see your bank account right here, what you need to do is go back and click deposit, and as the deposit method, just set it to bank transfer and then enter your IBAN or your account number in order to make a deposit. Now just make a small deposit, however small it is, because that will link your bank account to your Trading 212 account. From there, what you can do is use it to withdraw money. So just select your bank account here and click confirm withdrawal. It will then verify your identity with a quick video. And from there, it will verify if it's actually you that is trying to withdraw money. And if it's you, then it will say success, trust this device. I'll say trust this device, click continue. And from there, it will then say withdrawal request submitted. It will process your request within 3 business days. So now it's gone from my main pot and from my balance, and I have now withdrawn it or transferred it to my bank account. So now you know how to transfer money from Trading 212 to your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.